Okay, so I'm going to put this to the test. This is a white wall tire, dirty. There's a cleaner one. I'll have a look on the other side. It doesn't matter so much. This is what it is, right? It's meant to be a white wall tire. I'm going to spray it now, halfway. Just halfway. I didn't read, I read a little bit of the instructions, but I'm just going to let it sit there and then I'm going to agitate it. Well, I'm definitely cleaning up the chrome. Watch this guy on YouTube do it. I'm going to come back to you. I'm going to do it a couple of times. I don't expect it to go off specifically one time, but let's see what happens after one time. I've got a completely clean. Oh, look, there's getting a bit of white back in there. I'm not scrubbing it really hard. I'm just agitating it. So it seems to be actually working. Bit of elbow grease involved, but let's see. I want to scrub it before I rub it off, but I don't want to make a long video, so let's just go and see how much that did. Well, my friends, there's a bit of proof in the pudding, isn't there? So let me continue agitating and cleaning. Okay, that's just a couple of minutes rubbing off this. Just a stiff brush and spraying this stuff on it. And that's impressive. I'm going to do the whole thing. You probably want to see what I'm doing. I'm just doing this. And I'm just rubbing it for a couple of minutes. And you can see it starts to come off. Yeah, okay, I'll do it. I'll do a little bit of it here and then I'll... Okay. It's not major effort, but a bit of elbow grease it is. So I'm agitating it with the wire. It's not a wire brush, it's just a stiff brush. And you can see on the video how long I've been doing it, right? So now I'm just going to wipe it off with a rag. Let's see what happens. Okay. Come on, guys, that's pretty aggressive. That's a good product. Okay, look how much I've used. Not very much. And it was up to, I think, there, so not very much. And that's pretty impressive. Maybe 20 or 30, no, it wasn't 30 minutes. And the overspray, I wiped it off and it cleaned up the metal and the chrome. But this is what I was going after, guys. This is white wall cleaning, ultimate cleaner. Chemical guys, inner clean, interior quick clean, all surface, all purpose cleaner. UV protection and clear detail, cleans and protects, removes dirt, blah, blah, blah. If this is on YouTube and you're watching it, just go and buy it somewhere. I'm not trying to make a buck. I'm just telling you, this stuff works.